just going to start. It's big. You must have not come for a while because...
I've not come for a while. I haven't.
Yeah. This is really deep. I don't remember this being so deep.
I think the first time you removed it, it was very deep.
That was old. It was the first time I ever removed it because I don't think it was ever removed, right? Before. Was it removed before by anybody? No.
Just myself. I've used those stickers.
Yeah. It's deep.
Yeah, I know. It's really horrible.
But it will feel a lot better.
I'm sure it will because it's just so uncomfortable. You know, the worst thing is when you're on holiday and you're wearing sandals and you can't walk much, because I like to walk and I like to look around and explore. You can't walk because your feet are hurting. It's the worst thing.